every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way.
Welcome back to day 2. Where it's pool day today. It's a bit rainy. But you're gonna get wet anyway at water park. So we're gonna try Blizzard Beach. It's the first day it's opening in a really long time. So I'll turn you around. This is my outfit for today. I'll put my swim underneath. Everybody's pretty much ready to go.
Yeah, I think Charlie just did.
After raining all day, you're actually hands-on and coffee, you're filling out paperwork, and it's very special. I know everyone here all the time.
It's going to be raining up until 4 o'clock, then it stops, but it's still going to be about 25 degrees.
You get to have some sort of role for the future. Yeah, in space.
I think everybody has it.
Dad cleaning the pool.
Animation will show up the kinds of things.
That stupid bitch. Hold on, we're going to Disney World.
Yeah, that's what it's all called. It's all called Disney World, but the parks have their own individual names.
Good, say you should. Don't let people take the piss out of you, mate. I've told you this so many times.
I just says at the end of it there, it says me and Scott wrote you off. I says at the end of
Fuck me, she was blunt.
I says at the end of the day, I says we saw Danny, completely ignored us, said we were texting Danny. He ignored us, he kept on reading all the messages. Says then we're messaging you.
Finding somewhere to park. Oh look guys, it's so fucking empty.
That's because everybody's going on.
Such a good idea.
Yeah, it's really empty because everybody's going on.
This is first day of opening, after God knows how long.
Really?
Yep. They'll all be waiting for the rain to finish.
Well, I'd rather get in there before everyone.
No.
Yeah, but it's a big water park.
Where am I going? Here? Or can I go all the way down
Keep
there?
going round. I mean, unless you want to walk that far. This is basically, yeah, no.
He needs bigger shorts because they
I
are
do need
literally
bigger
budgie
shorts.
smugglers.
Just
No
now,
joke.
mate.
I'll be surprised if one of his balls don't pop out.
She loves that. She loves it.
Yeah, I've got a cute little
Do you
butt.
actually as well?
I might need to squat a little bit.
What?
So you might need to squat a little bit. Don't right, because have you got a spare pair of shorts?
No.
Come on, quick. Well then, if you squat a bit too hard, you might rip him, so I'll rip it if I was you.
Hey, the last of me in Florida, in Gatton Bay, and the last of me when I last had
It's a
them.
good job he didn't go by having beach wellies wearing
Hang
them.
on, didn't I get these for last time I came to Florida?
Yeah.
That's why they're tight. I'm skinnier then.
Not get any of those.
Connor,
Becca looks like girls.
Connor, it's the other way around. It's girls. It's supposed to be you telling girls not to look at me because let's face it. Women love
Yeah, because I'm going to look the same as you, so.
Oh, I can smell the fresh pool water.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Oh, I forgot.
I've got money.
Money. Oh.
Can someone take the bags quickly for me?
We'll wait here for you. No. There's a guest walkway that way. You turn right down here. Oh, is that?
Hurry up!
Is that? Let me read it. Can I read it?
Hurry up!
Can I read it?
If you want, I'm not bothered.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Can't believe the amount of fucking recording I'm actually doing already.
I'm actually reminding you about it.
It's not raining anymore.
No. It's on and off showers today.
But I reckon it'll be like an hour or two wait before the next one.
Next what?
Shower.
Oh, right.
I reckon it'll be a shower, 2 hours dry, sunny, And then shower. Like half an hour. Back. An hour back.
Did you tell them that it's day 2 yet?
Yeah.
Oh,
I did it this morning.
You already did it.
Well, you didn't think you get me in it. Nah.
Right, Becca.
I'd take the attention from you, you're too beautiful.
What? Sort what out?
No, I'm not.
Ticket-wise,
Yeah, no, I'm looking for my wallet.
that place that looks really nice of you.
We getting tickets?
No,
Come here.
Oh shit, you're paying again for tickets. Did we bring Tom?
Got my towel in my bag.
My bag, yeah.
And Nick's a towel.
What?
And Nick's a towel.
And we nicked the towel.
That's fine.
Oh, right.
When we
That's
use
fine.
Sorry, 'cause I'll
first,
bring it
we'll
back.
get everywhere and then you can have
Right, Callum, you are going first.
Can I go?
Second. It's just the first what comes up.
Are we trying to be first?
Can I go second?
Right, go put it, go. Callum.
All water is closed right now due to lightning in the area, but you're still welcome to come here.
Right, how long will that generally be?
Usually it's like 30 minutes after the last lightning is striked in the area,
It's
but
fine.
we don't know.
We've got water. Right, stick here. Right.
Try that one more time.
Callum, take your finger off.
Is that a finger you normally use, buddy? Wipe it down on your shirt. Try that one more time.
I say put it on flat, Callum.
Callum,
Yeah.
I haven't done it yet.
Put it nice and flat all the way through.
No,
Okay, we can get someone to help you.
Callum, like this.
That
Look.
was the finger you chose.
Like that.
Yeah. Right, Connor, I'll try you first. I'll do.
Can you show them the ticket? His ticket?
Yep. Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. I'm gonna get your picture real quick. Ready?
Right, are we okay to do the rest of them?
You can do it while they do that.
Right, Connor, put yours on.
You next, Jessica. Just do yours, Becca.
No, I'm going to do my band, my magic band. Charlie.
You can try this again.
Stop.
Oh, let's try that one more time.
Of course it will.
Let's try that again.
Cheers.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's why my magic band is the best.
It won't even light me, little thunder.
Yeah, but because it's Florida, they've got to take precautions up on them.
You've still got water and all that for the time being. They'll put a tannoy over. They'll put a thing over at tannoy to say rides are open.
This is my first time here now, so I've got no idea what to do.
I'm taking the shirt off.
Right, you said you want to go find some goggles, didn't you? Yeah. These are where you need to go in. These.
Can I get some?
I ain't got your money, so you need to wait for Nan and Grandad. Ooh, I like them.
Swimming goggles.
Okay, Sebastian, look at me.
Keep going.
Oh, it's a pin.
Yeah. Tempted to get some for my thing at home. I've actually got a pink.
That's just no up there.
This is yellow, mine. Oh, the 50th anniversary. I'm gonna have a look at that.
You don't want them with them. You need these, but it's $16.99 and it's dollars.
Sorry.
Sorry.
$16.
$17. $16.99.
Oh, you wanting some?
I'll get these.
I'm not getting any.
You know, I won't let you anyway.
Yeah, I've got enough money, but you know, gonna won't let you get them. I don't know why. I'm getting these, yeah.
Because he ain't got enough. He's only got £200.
How much have I got? About 400.
485.
You've got more than you've got. No, he's been
It's been alright,
he's had
actually.
500. He had 500.
Yeah, because I now need to make it last.
Because he's got to buy his food and all that and things like that.
Right, we're gonna go pay for them anyway. Where do you go?
It's actually easy as well.
Blah, blah, blah. I do not go, blah, blah, blah.
Kids, the silicone earplugs. $10, that's alright, you know.
Finding Nemo.
$7, that's fucking good.
No. Oh. Take one of these. I don't know. I'll leave it.
A walker idea. I swear to God, I won't have it.
Oh, look. There's an Olaf one.
Oh, do you know
Charlie.
what? I want to get a souvenir.
There's an Olaf one. Because we have to think of it Isabel, aren't we? Isabel's got £50. So they're all just, it's just Isabel's. 28.17, that's not bad.
That's better than that.
Smack you.
Yeah.
Yep. That jacket, the jumper that I found is cheaper than them shorts that you're looking at.
I can literally get 4 or 5 pairs for that.
Should we're going Walmart tonight anyway.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah,
Bug roll?
we keep missing off bits. Because another thing we need is scissors. Just get a cheap pair because we won't be able to bring them back.
I didn't even bring my watch.
Oh, there's your pool. Look at that.
So go get a photo, Callum.
Yeah, the little snowman family.
Go over there then and I'll go get a photo of you.
Oh, do you want to follow with Callum?
Well, go on then.
I'm feeling a bit vibrant.
Can't see Mr. Snowman behind you, Charlie. We meant to stand right behind his nose.
Yeah, you getting wet?
See
Mum,
that?
look round here.
So does your mum and dad know how to get him back then?
Gail got tickets.
Connor,
I
look
love
up there.
Lisa.
The very top one.
Yeah, what happened there? You go flying off it?
That is
No, you don't go
big.
far. You
That
go
that
straight
is the
That's the one that made Donna's backside bleed.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
you
That's how fast it goes.
You can bet
I'm
your
off on it.
backside that I ain't going down it.
I'll go on it.
How cool.
My dad will be on it.
My ass is
Wait,
fucking-
does
It made her ass bleed.
Yeah. I've just sent your Nana a picture of you with that monkey, and she went, "Tell Connor he looks like his brother."
I'm not black. Oh, ayadi.
Look, that's what I just sent him. That's what I just sent you, Nana.
Oh, ayadi. Okay, I don't.
Ah, yeah. Like a restroom, just there.
Right?
Do you not need to go in it?
No, I've got.
I'm gonna go in it.
Yeah, exactly. 'Cause it's only you. Guys, wait on. Scott needs to take his boxes off. To the feet.
Bulls can breathe.
Any of you two got boxes on underneath?
What's wrong?
What's
wrong?
No, it's
You could class as a male, female.
Right, we want to wait here, guys, for Scott. Connor, this is where the cups are. Just hang on. That's what you want. That one.
Can I fill out all day free?
Yeah. And it works in every water park apart from Universal. And but you just have to pay, I think it's about $8 another day. But you want to wait till Scott comes back because we'll have to buy 2. That's what you want, Charlie.
Oh, my feet cold. You want that?
You get it for free, we pop all day.
Charlie, look.
Don't. Not me, I'm not feeding it at the moment. I've just gone a bit low now. You know when I go low, I go quiet. Ooh, what's that?
To Mickey Waffle. To Mickey Ice Cream.
I've got my food with me. I've got my food with me. So I've got about 200 and something left until next Friday.
I don't think we've got that.
If you need anything, shout me, okay?
No, I'll go test my mum and dad before I ask you, because you've got less than us.